a girl you hit on in college
Yeah.
who didn't react back? Because she is regretting it now.
Well, I hope so. Better, that's payback time. So now I've got the last laugh. But anyways, yeah, of course. I was a regular college student, and you know, I had my share of rejections, had my share of doing regular fun stuff, bunking college, flunking college. And yeah, so I have my share of rejections also. Girls have rejected me on various fronts. Sometimes I misbehaved, sometimes it's my fault. Sometimes they just couldn't see through this.
So is there a male casting couch in Bollywood?
Well, it is, I think it's very passe. I think you can't, now that the dynamics have changed so much that if somebody puts money on you for the wrong reason, it shows. I think even if you would want to go through a certain different route, it will only get you to that one particular project. I think after that, everyone's on their own merit. I can get, you know, even if I have the best launch in the world, which was like, say, Student of the Year. Whatever I do after that is purely on merit base. Nobody's going to give you a second film if you're not worth it and if they don't feel that you're apt for it.
Has anyone made you an indecent proposal?
Yes, of course, in the modeling fraternity. We have a lot of indecent proposals, I think, which come away. But luckily for me, it came from women also, so it's slightly older. So I thought about it when I was like 20 years old. You know, everything goes and you want to experiment. But yeah, I didn't act upon it, guys. So I just thought about it.
Absolutely perfect then to make you an indecent proposal.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Can we see your six-pack?
Can I see? I have ordered them. वो अगले साल में आ जाएंगे. So तब I'll come back on the same stage and I'll show it to you. Or I will send you my Men's Health cover. That was the best shape.
So there's no six-pack under there?
There is no six-pack. There's only one pack.
Let's see the one pack.
See, I believe in quality. So if I want to show anything to the girls, it should be the best.
Are you conscious when you take your clothes off?
Not at all. I've been used to it, but obviously not in front of so many people.